everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Show, and thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on homecoming from the 28th to the 24th of July 2026. On Monday, Vus keeps unraveling its stand exceeding previous one. Mamkwanyane has to do something to mitigate the deteriorating situation and get Captain involved, which ends her a disgusting accusation from Vusi on Tuesday. Shobane, betrayed by the community he served, is offered a hello crown. Mamkwanyane makes a choice, but the smiling Captain can no longer help her finance it on Wednesday. Shunned by the very people he tried to serve, Shobane turns inward and starts to be self-serving. When Mamkwanyane fails to recover the money she entrusted to Captain, the trust explodes inside her home. Trust between Vusi, Nomalanga, and Mamkwanyane shatters beyond repair on Thursday. As the clinic melts it in heat waves, Zethu questions Shobane's project management. Metron is stuck, choosing between her son and the truth. Vusi and Nomalanga plot while Mamkwanyane try to uncover the scam that stole their inheritance on Friday. Mamkwanyane receives a horrifying threat, and Shobane revels in the revenge on the village, while Zethu and Katazile fail to understand the man he has become. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.